So welcome to our first video on Upwork. I'm just going to be teaching you how to set up an account and what are the things that you need primarily to make your account set up for success. So if you've not signed up before, you can sign up here with your email, with Google, or with Apple sign in. I guess it's also popping up because I'm using an Apple. So if you have an Apple, you should get this. You can sign up with your iCloud account. So this is the sign up button. I'm just going to use login because I already have an account. So let's log in. Alright. So if you did set up a security question and first time you're signing up on a new device, it will ask you to fill in that security question. So Upwork does this, so you should be careful of the security question you use if you have set up one. So complete your profile. My profile is 100% full, but then if you want to complete your profile, now getting your profile to 100% completion helps you rank more on search results when clients come here and use the search button. For example, let's say we want to search graphic designer. So you can see, so these designers, if I check their profiles, you'll find out that most of them actually have their profiles complete, right? And you can see it also pops up, as it pops up user profile, it also pops up projects. So if you've been doing if you're a graphic designer, you want to do you also want to do projects. You want to create projects where people can buy those projects, and that also gets you some income also. So that's how you see how your search results are. But before we go deeper into what rising talent means, top rated, top loss, I'm just going to go directly to profile. So let's leave this by this side and let's try to or let's just go to profile first. So what aspects of your profile do you need to fill in? Right? You need this your about section. So one is your about section should be like a story, and you should detail what you can do clearly and your experience. So the first thing I did was, do you have a great idea and looking to build next generation technology in crypto, blockchain, IoT, or AI? Lucky and so you see, like after the question, I'm not even giving my own review. I'm giving the review of a client. So I'm supposed to say I am this, but this is like my client, like giving a review for me. And I come here and I say, why should you choose me as your Web3 developer? Right? This is that and all of that. All these are my experiences, and then these are some of my certifications. I have more certifications, right? And I'll probably so you can always click here to update it, and you can click here to set your rates. Alright. For as long as I remember, I've been acquiring new technological skills, and these are the stories, and knowledge. And I also, at the end session, I put like 2 other reviews which they can also see on my Upwork profile, but it doesn't need to be there. You can just put a review from someone who has given you a review somewhere before, and you put that there. So consultation. So the next session you need to complete is your portfolio session. In your portfolio session, you need to add like different projects. These are the old things I added before. I'll still update them and put new stuff here. So one thing is you can actually make these designs. You can change the thumbnail and make the thumbnail designs so it reflects a kind of branding, right? And make it look professional with the details just there. I'm going to do that to my profile and all of that. Work history, this is if you've done any jobs, you see that there. But here you have skills. Alright. So you can come here and put like skills here, right? And say, oh, these are the skills that you have. And you see it because I connected my Credly account. Credly is a platform that helps you show your certifications, to show some of the things I've learned here. So I learned some of these things and I connect them to Credly, which I think you should also do also. So the other part is the experiences, employment history. Just put all of that here, outline what you did and all of that, and stuff here, and member. Here also are your projects. You can set up projects which can also keep that. So one of the things that you want to make sure is put this your profile. Let a lot of SEO, be updating it with SEO from time to time, because when people search, they can see you there and come give you a job because you're ranking up. Then this percentage you're seeing is called the job success score. It all has to do with like what you're doing, and as you're progressing on Upwork will keep ranking your job success score. And so one thing you want to do is always keep this at 100%. Mine is currently at this percentage because of some work that I did and working with some clients that were not just serious. So and this happens when you don't screen your clients. So I do advise, one of the best things you want to do during your time on Upwork is make sure you screen your clients. Screen them, like make sure you screen them, like know the people you work with. Don't accept any job. In the coming lessons, I'm going to teach you how exactly and which jobs to apply to. But further on profiles, so you can see here I have codes. So you can see the connections I have. I have 80 preferences. These are my job preferences, so they can bring me job preferences. Also, another thing I also do is project development. So if I come here now, right, these are saved searches. So let's use graphic designer. So if I come to graphic designer search, right, I can search, and using this graphic designer search, I can be able to see all the graphic designer works that are here. Through this graphic designer jobs, something I used to do before is, if I look at the jobs, maybe I look at like 5, there's something I'm noticing, they're saying I'm looking at the skills and expertise that they need. Alright, I will go to my profile. Remember the skills section. Based on this expertise, I will add all these things to my profile, because there's a high chance that the Upwork is going to suggest my profile to them, because what they are looking for, I already have it. So these are different jobs that this guy has done, landing page development, all of that, and see how much he's paying. So for you need to know how much you want to earn. I'll just make this state, right? If you see some of the jobs here, you see the budget. The budget might not be high, so like it's not, you see, fixed price, $15 for a logo for graphic design for Shopify, while outside you can actually do more. I don't think anybody, even like locally, you might not charge $15. You can charge way more too, even in Nigeria. So Upwork is not the best place to get jobs. Don't fix your mind there, but it is very good for getting jobs. What do I mean? Like, don't let it be the only place you pitch for jobs. But like setting up a profile on Upwork can be an additional income stream, and it's the best place to learn how to build a freelancing business, because there's lots of opportunities and all of that, and you will learn how to work with clients, and you can use it to get proof of work. I use my Upwork profile as proof of work for different places. Like, if I'm going somewhere now, I just want to say, guy, I'm good at this thing. All I just need to show them is my Upwork profile, because they've helped me to like kind of like organize a portfolio. It's more like my portfolio. In fact, Upwork is my portfolio if I'm going to work anywhere. It's what I just send to other people, then I use it to sell. So you can use it as a business portfolio, not necessarily the only place that you get jobs from, because they pay very cheap sometimes, because there are plenty people looking for the same opportunity. So they might just put a little price and somebody might come in. Like you see now, the same design, somebody Spotify design, somebody is here going to give $2,000, although the person is saying I need 4,000 canvas. That's $0.5 per canvas. I don't know how that is possible, but then graphic designers, I'm not a graphic designer, I don't know what that means exactly. Alright, so I don't know what that means exactly, but then you can always read through. So before you apply to a job, first thing you want to do is read the description. Be sure you can achieve it. On that thing you want to do is check here how many proposals are there. I will discuss this in the next lesson and all of that. But then, like I said, once you want to do is go to jobs and check skills and expertise and add it to your profile. Any other thing to improve your profile? No. Let me check one more time again if there's some other stuff to improve your profile from. Let's check. So another thing that will also improve your business and every other thing that you do is learning and acquiring certifications, both on LinkedIn and Upwork. The more certifications you have, the likely companies are going to look your way, because they believe that you know what you're doing. And just keep getting proof of work. But certifications they just help you stand out, because there are many people that can do what you do, but they might not have the certifications that give that proof. Some people just want certifications. Why some people, if you have certifications, you now have proof of that you've been doing this thing. People will be like, yes, you are doing it, and you're showing your professionalism. So certifications help you look very professional, right? That's just it. So we can look at this next time. The next class, I'm going to teach other stuff. So this is just it for now, and yes. All right. Thank you, guys.